Alright, time for a frittata. And you got some leftovers. We're going to try a frittata flip, or as I call the chef challenge. We got some bitter melon. This is going to be a big frittata. Squeezing out the bitter melon a little. I did throw it in the freezer. If you've never had bitter melon, it's not that bitter. Don't be afraid to try it. It's very healthy for you. If you put into Google or a search engine, bitter melon cures, look at the results. Couple seeds left in the bottom. Seeds are a very good thing. We try to put them in a lot of things. That's why we do the pumpkin seed powder. Pause for the cause. Alright, now it's time for the Paleo Paella. I think I have too much. I can't put this all on one. We're going to have to do another one tomorrow night without the bitter melon. Oh, it smells unbelievable. If you've seen this and you haven't tried it yet, you don't know what you're missing out on. I think we're going to cheese it up with a little Parmesan Romano. That'll hit it right where it needs to be. Don't forget about those peas. I was just talking with somebody and telling them about this. They were like, wow. Like, yeah, gotta try it. All right, we'll leave the rest there for tomorrow night. That is beautiful. All right, push it down. I will try flipping it. If I'm successful, it'll be on the chef challenge. All right, more cheese. That looks beautiful. This is probably going to be the best frittata I ever made. Yummy. Love it.